right, today we're going to bring an LED fan. This is to integrate into one. It meshes with the actual system itself. The fan is transparent. If you guys can see, there's an application that you can download from the actual site. It comes with a remote. It comes with instructions. It comes with the actual bedding, and then 3 connections you got to be worrying about. All right, you got your hot, neutral, and then your ground right here. So we're gonna set this up. I like that they include the whole package deal with it. We're gonna set it up and see how beautiful it looks. Very slick, very tight little. I like the LED lights. So let's go ahead and put it together and see how it looks. All right, we're gonna start putting this on the top. We're gonna screw it in as soon as we lock it in place. Always check that you don't have any power there. Get one of these. No power in place. So I have this. So simple for me to do. That one. I've got this one. So I got it all set up right here. It's nice and flush all around. Let's go ahead and turn it on and see how well it works. All right, we're gonna mess with the controller now. We're gonna set it up with the controller. So we have on and off. All right, we could turn it off. We could turn it on, all off, and then we got forward and reverse, and then we got 1 through 6. So we're gonna turn on 1 for the fan and let it run. 1 for the fan. We're gonna go all the way to 6. Now this is 6 right here. Now we got different levels of actual light. So we're gonna go plus. You guys can see I'm changing it different tones. And we're gonna change it manually, change it to different tones. There's 1 right there. There's 2. 3. Oh, three levels. It has 3 levels, so we got 3 levels. This is my favorite one. Now you got different wave modes on the actual control. Plus or minus on the lighting, plus or minus on the actual K, the lumens, how much quality you want on the higher quality. Night lights, I like this one, so you could tone it down, sleep with the lights on if you want. It's up to you. Go back up, go back to case. Then you got actually hours, 2 hours that you can set it up for, and it'll turn off automatically. Very simple, easy to install, easy to use. The remote control is available with it. Also the app. I hope you guys enjoy the video.